I mean, I don't know how much time will it take for the ministers to congratulate you. Although I saw sports ministers tweet congratulating Virendra and a couple of other athletes along with Arun and Prithvi. But first of all, a very warm welcome from the entire country. If you could tell our athletes that they have made us all very proud. This is a very proud moment for really all of us. But that said, they've been waiting here from 5 in the morning. And we were talking to you earlier, Vivek, as well. I mean, you know, we have one gold winner, one silver winner, and 3 bronze winners. India's best ever performance in Deaf Olympics ever since. And this kind of treatment, what are the players really going through? Because I'm told they haven't even eaten anything. They haven't had anything since morning.
See, I was with them at the event also, and the general idea is that they feel very dejected and desperate to be able to even get their news across to people, because they've won medals at the biggest event for the deaf, and they have to really fight so hard to even get anybody interested to hear them out. And I think it's very, very painful to see them stand here like this, because they are really fighting for the rights of deaf people and for equality, because these are also stupendous athletes who are doing
Absolutely.
really well.
Can you ask them? I mean, you know, the fact that they've been stranded here, I mean, they've won their battles, whatever battles they had to win. They won it back in Turkey, in Samson. And now they're back here in India, in their own country. And what are they, I mean, what are the kind of thoughts which are going through their mind? They've been waiting here for hours. It's been more than 6 hours now. आप सुशील से पूछ सकते हैं?
Vivek, it's the second biggest event, supporting event, second biggest after main Olympics, 97 countries.
Yeah. What he's saying is that so they go into the ring and they fight everybody in the world. So there were 115 countries at the event. So they fight everybody, get medals for the country. They come back to their own country, to their own people, and find no love and support. They find more support from the other countries that are participating there in terms of the spectators and the people around them. But when they come back here, the amount of support that you're seeing is only family, friends, relatives, and even entire villages turning up.